Hi, so you want to box like a champ in VR? Great choice. Let me walk you through the basics. Hold your fists up to defend your opponent's punches and strike out at them in between their strikes. Always remember, defending is more important than attacking. Not getting hit lets you hit longer. During the fight you may get hit or knocked back. The camera view changes to third person from first and you will see red bubbles/circles around where your fists should be. Quickly take your hands/controllers into those bubbles to get back into the fight. Take a lot of beating and you get knocked down. The referee starts the countdown while you are blacked out and must return to the light. Swing your arms vigorously to simulate marching, without moving your feet, to return to the light. Each time you get knocked down, it will take more effort to return. You have lost on the fourth knockout. Use your index finger to point the cursor and navigate menu options. Use the thumbsticks to rotate and move yourself forward. Stay in one place while freely turning around physically to respond as the fight progresses. Your gloves glow when you get tired. Find a balance between attacking and defending to beat your opponent. You are now ready to fight champ.